Manufactured with multiple alloys for improved heat dissipation and performance. Mill balanced for proper rotor function, no extra weights are needed. Quality validated for proper metallurgy and correct brake plate thickness. Rounded radius for added strength. Some ACDelco Silver parts may have formerly appeared as ACDelco Advantage. Economical value with dependable quality. For General Motors vehicles as well as most makes and models. ACDelco Silver, Advantage, Disc Brake Rotor and hub assemblies are a quality, high-value alternative for General Motors vehicles as well as most makes and models and are backed by General Motors. These assemblies provide reliable vehicle braking power. With this assembly, the rotor is conveniently pre-fitted to the wheel hub as one combined piece. Application-specific vane configuration offers greater safety and performance, dampens noise and vibration, and maximizes airflow to keep your rotor running cool. They also feature a non-directional ground finish that minimizes thickness variation and helps to extend brake pad life. These dependable aftermarket disc brake rotors offer quality at an economical price. ACDelco Silver, Advantage parts are a good choice for many vehicles on the road today. Some ACDelco Silver parts may have formerly appeared as ACDelco Advantage. Top reviews from the United States. Factory GM replacement. Installed with new wheel bearings, new calipers and Performance Friction Company, PFC pads and .4 brake fluid flush on 1997 1500 Express van with 337,000 miles that regularly pulls a trailer. PFC pads stop better the hotter they get versus normal pads that fade equals don't work as well when hot. .4 has higher boiling point than .3. Torqued to 50 feet-pound spinning rotor is slowly worked up to 50 featuring lb. Backed of nut till loose. Torque to 25 featuring lb back off till castle nut aligned with Carter pin hole. Quiet while braking, obvious shorter stopping distance to the point I check my rear view mirror for fear others won't be able to stop as fast as I. Worth the money to get a USA steel casting that can take the abuse of a high-heat heavy-use braking system without warping. Usually get over 100,000 miles out of GM rotors before replacing.